Okay, guys, back here to finish the question 12, I think. Question 12. We've done A, we've done B part 1. Yeah. So here we have a function, quadratic function, and here's our domain. Once again, you got to do a table. Okay. Maybe for this table, I'll just do it over here to the side. Input output table before you do a graph. Okay. Now you can see this is coming up year after year after year. So sometimes even twice in the same year. You gotta know how to do these, guys, okay? Okay, nearly finished constructing my table. Your table doesn't have to be very neat, it doesn't have to be a work of art or anything, but it is helpful to do it. Like, so our domain, our x values, our input values, if you wish, are -2 to 4. Okay, -2 to 4. So that's our x values, -2 to 4. Our function is x squared minus 2x minus 1. That'll give us our output y, and then we'll combine the x and the y to give us our couples, so we can graph it. Okay. Now, very useful here to have a Casio calculator to work out these. Any calculator can do it, but the Casio is in particularly easy. As you know already, I have a tab for the Casio calculator. It'll show you how to do it really quick. Or you could just set up your Casio calculator the way I'm doing here. Instead of an X, just put empty brackets, and then just put your input number into that. Okay. So let's just put in our input values. -2 is the first one. Then you're inputting -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Okay, pop that into your calculator anyway. Work out, once you've worked the first one there, when you input -2, the output is 7. When you input -1, the output is 2. When you input next one 0, the output is -1. When you input 1, the output is -2. Okay, when you input 2, the output is -1. When you input 3, the output is 2. And when you input 4, the output is 7. Let's make our couples now. The input was -2, the output was 7, and so on. Okay, so we take our couples and we pop them into our graph over here. -2, 7. And this is a positive one, so we're going to get a happy face like the other ones from the other 2 days. -1, 2. 0, -1. 1, -2. 2, -1. 3, 2. And 4, 7. Join these up, thinking smiley face. Okay. And there we have it. And that is that question finished. Guys, that is the questions finished for functions and graph. Let's go to our studying maths tab. Let's have a look at our exam revision chart, and let's mark off what we just did there today. Okay. Like, you can still, if you want to practice these, there's plenty to practice. Look, all of those. Okay, you can still practice all of them. I'm doing right now with you guys, as you know, 2019 paper, 2018 and 2017. They're the ones I'm doing with you. Okay, you can do all the rest. If you get stuck on any of these questions over here, please ask me and I will help. We are now moving on. So we've done functions and graphs there. We've all that. We're now moving on to sets. And what I will ask you to do for the weekend, I'm asking you, there isn't many of them, do all of those questions. Okay, 2019, 2018, 2017. I'll write it in the homework section, and yeah, you've all weekend to get that done. Okay, thank you, and talk to you on Monday.